Get your credit repair game plan for free. What we do here at Money Flu Financial is something called the credit analysis. This is where the client submits to get their credit reports reviewed for free. We pull their 3-bureau credit report and we let them know exactly what accounts are on there that have late payments in the history that need to be disputed, what collections need to be deleted, any repossession that need to be deleted, and we let them know if there's anything that else that needs to be done, like paying down their credit card balances to lower utilization, making sure their credit mix is good, making sure they have enough positive accounts. And then with that plan and information, the client can go out and start to fix their credit on their own, because now they have all the steps they need to take to get them to better credit. Or they can decide to work with us, and then we will do the professional disputing and get those negative items off of the credit report. If you want a credit analysis, comment or message credit repair, and you can go to moneyflufinancial.com.